because we are going to use flex for many properties, we are going to make a function of flex so we can customize it for different properties. Okay, let's work with it. Just write Mixin flex pro. One more thing, you can name it anything you want. Okay, I'm just keeping it flex property, flex pro, display flex tab, justify content center, align item center, w flex wrap, no wrap for now. Don't worry, we're going to change everything, nothing will be stay permanent. Flex direction, one more property we need, that is flex direction. For now let's make it column. Okay, let's set the parameter. First one will be justify content, JC. Second one will be align items, AI. Third one will be flex wrap, FW, and last one will be flex direction, FD. Change all of the property. Now we are going to use this flex inside our menu to make it precise. Okay, to make it organize, just write @include name of your function and pass the properties you want to pass. And first property will be justify content space. We want space around the text, align item center, wrap, flex wrap, we want wrap row. All the item will be inside one row. Okay, let's see how does it look now. Reload the page. You see, this is how it is looking. Okay, from body we'll set some default value. Below this margin and padding, just write color will be white. Save it. Now go to style.scss. We want a border below this menu. Just write bb tab 1 pixel solid, and we want white border. Okay, let's make all the text uppercase inside our menu. Just write text transform uppercase. Okay, now we'll set some variables for our fonts and text. Okay, for now I will use Google Fonts. Use any of them you like. For now I am going to use this Roboto. For now I am going to use these three fonts. First one is Roboto. Okay, select this style, embed, import. We want to import this in your style sheet. Just copy and paste it at the top of this variable. Okay, paste it here. And also we need to copy this font family, copy and paste it below here. For now I am going to make it comment. Now make those variable. At first just write menu text. Menu text is equal this font family. Copy, paste it here. and create one more variable for shadow of those text. Just write shadow 2 pixel 2 pixel 5 pixel blurriness. This 2 pixel is for top, this is for left right, and this is for blurriness, and last one will be the color RGB on 8 22 18. This is the color.